Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI management with a tool called RamaLama. If you're interested in how artificial intelligence models can be deployed and managed easily, you won't want to miss this conversation. So let's start with a big question. How can we make working with AI, less of a headache? Well, RamaLama is designed to do just that. It's all about making AI boring in a good way. Now let's break down how RamaLama achieves that. Imagine having a tool that inspects your computer for GPU support right when you start it up. If your system has no GPUs, it automatically falls back to CPU support. This is like having a smart assistant ensuring you're always ready to go, whether your hardware is cutting edge or a bit more vintage. What's really interesting here is the way RamaLama uses OCI containers. Basically, this tool lets you pull the necessary software to run AI models without needing to configure your entire system. If you've ever tried to install new software and felt overwhelmed by all the settings, you can appreciate how neat this is. You just run a single command and boom, the model is up and running. Now let's touch on the different types of AI model registries that RamaLama supports. Think of it like a grocery store filled with different aisles for AI models. You've got Hugging Face, Ollama, and even OCI container registries like Docker Hub. Each of these stores has its unique offerings, and with RamaLama, you're not limited to just one. You can switch things up to taste. If you want to snag something from Hugging Face, it's as simple as changing an environment variable. Speaking of simplicity, one of the standout features of RamaLama is its use of short name files. Picture this. Instead of typing out lengthy commands, you can create alias names for your favorite AI models. It's like those handy shortcuts on your desktop, saving you time and effort. Now, how do you get started with RamaLama? It's super easy. You can install it via PyPy or by running a one-liner script. Especially great news for those of you on macOS. Just a quick command and you're off to the races. But it's not just about installation. There's a whole suite of commands you can use once you're up and running. Want to pull a model? Just type RamaLama pull and voila. Need to serve a model as a REST API? There's a command for that too. It's designed to feel intuitive, even for those who might not consider themselves tech-savvy. And let's not forget about the support for multiple hardware configurations. Whether you're on Apple Silicon, NVIDIA, or AMD, RamaLama's got you covered. It's like having a technology Swiss Army knife at your disposal, fitting all kinds of user needs. Now, of course, since RamaLama is still in alpha development, you have to be prepared for some bumps along the way. But what's refreshing is that if anything goes wrong, resetting the whole thing is straightforward. You just clean out a couple of folders and start fresh. Honestly, it feels more forgiving than some other tools out there. Before we wrap up, let's remember that this project is built on the shoulders of giants. Credit is due to tools like llama.cpp and Hugging Face. So if you find RamaLama useful, why not show some love to those projects as well? In conclusion, whether you're a seasoned AI developer or just dipping your toes into this exciting field, RamaLama aims to make your life easier. With simple commands, flexible model management, and a supportive community, it looks to transform how we work with AI. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you feel a little more informed about RamaLama and how it can revolutionize your AI projects. Until next time, keep exploring and happy coding.